I think a lot of women don't actually want bigger eyes. They want less mental exhaustion. They are tired of checking their crease in mirrors, fixing tape in the bathroom, retaking selfies, or feeling like one eye always looks heavier than the other. That's why non-incisional double eyelid has become so popular recently. It's not always about dramatic transformation. Sometimes it's just about removing the daily maintenance and mental load around your eyelids. The crease you think you don't have, a lot of people think they have a true monolid. But what they actually have is something called a hidden fold. The crease physically exists, it's just being compressed by the orbital septum and a small fat pad sitting right above the lash line. That's why your eyelid sometimes reveals a faint crease after crying, sleeping poorly, or losing weight. Try this right now. Gently lift your brow with one finger and look forward. Most people are shocked to see a crease appear that's been hidden under the fold their whole life. You are now lifting your eyelid, your forehead is. If you ever wonder why you have early forehead lines in your 20s, here's the hidden cause: frontalis compensation. When the labella muscle is even slightly weak, your forehead muscle quietly takes over and lifts the lid for you all day, every day. That's why some people develop deep horizontal lines way before their friends. Try this. Place your two fingers firmly across your forehead so it cannot move. Then try to open your eyes wide. If your eyes suddenly feel heavier or smaller, your forehead has been doing the work for years. The asymmetry isn't your eyelid, it's your eyebrow. Most patients come in convinced one eyelid is smaller, but the actual cause is brow asymmetry. One eyebrow almost always sits a few millimeters lower than the other, which compresses eyelid below it and makes the fold look uneven. People spend years trying to fix the wrong feature. Try this in the mirror. Use your finger to gently lift your lower sitting brow to match the other one. Most people watch their uneven eyelid instantly become symmetrical. Why your crease disappears when you smile? You probably notice your crease shrinks or vanishes the moment you smile. And there's a real reason: cheek elevation. When your zygomatics muscle fire, they push the lower lid upwards and reduce the visible eyelid platform. That's why some people look great in serious photos, but their eyes disappear when they laugh. Try this. Smile in the mirror right now and watch how much pre-tarsal show you lose. Most people notice their entire crease compresses by half. The reason hooded eyes looks worse at night. If your eyelid looks more hooded by 9 p.m., it's not in your head, it's something called diurnal lid descent. Throughout the day, gravity, fluid shifts, and orbicularis fatigue pull the upper eyelid skin downward by a measurable amount. That's why your eyes look open and bright in the morning and tired by dinner, even when you are not actually tired. Try this. Take a selfie now and one tonight at the same angle. Most people can see millimeters of the lid descent between the two photos.